Good morning, guys. Welcome to language class. Let's continue working with compound subjects. Let's do some, let's remember what a compound subject is. It's a simple subject made up of more than one noun. Example, Samuel and Lisa are friends. So I have two nouns in the subject, Samuel and Lisa. Okay, so it's Samuel and Lisa are friends. Period. What is the subject? Underline. If I said underline the subject of the sentence, Samuel and Lisa.
Samuel and Lisa.
Samuel and Lisa. Predicate.
Are friends.
Aha. In the subject, this one. My question, Samuel and Lisa is a simple subject or a compound subject?
Is a compound subject.
A compound subject because it has two nouns. Samuel
And Lisa. And Lisa.
One noun. Lisa is the second noun. So this one is a compound subject because it has two nouns. But what happens if the sentence says, for example, Sultan turns 1 year today. What is the subject?
Sultan.
Sultan.
And the predicate is turn 1 year today.
Turns, exactly. Turns 1 year today. So in this subject, I have only one noun. This one has a simple subject. What are you doing, Sebastián? ¿Qué está haciendo? Could you explain us? ¿Me puede contar? ¿Con quién está peleando? ¿Con quién está hablando? Because you are doing many things. Usted no está viendo mi cámara. No está viendo mi pantalla. Continue. Compound subjects. Let's copy, please. Practice B. Yesterday we worked with guided practice. Today we're gonna work practice B. Copy, please, in your notebook because you already have the topic. At least if you didn't receive the class of yesterday, copy the topic. Compound subjects. Students that didn't receive class yesterday, Suat, Christopher, and Gabriel. Well, and Maria Fernanda because she connected late, so she didn't copy the topic, I guess. And Alan connected very late. Ajá, y Daniel yesterday also se retiró de la clase. Yeah.
We are going in the practice B. We are going to do the same that we do yesterday.
Yes, but no, this here, write each sentence. Okay, so you copy the sentences, right? Sentence 11, plankton are tiny floating plants and animals. And the instruction says, underline the simple subject or subjects in each sentence. Yes, or we can circle. I think it's better if we circle. Let's circle simple subject or subjects in each sentence. The first one, plankton are tiny floating plants and animals. So this sentence, planktons are tiny floating plants and animals. What is the subject?
Plankton.
Just plankton. This one is the subject. Plankton. Just that word. The rest is predicate. So this sentence has simple subject or has compound subjects?
Has compound subject.
What are the subjects?
Plankton.
It's only one. So it has a
It's a simple.
simple. It's a simple subject because it has only one noun. Only one noun. Sentence 11. Copy the sentence, right? And I want another student that help me out or tell me if the sentence has one noun or one simple subject or has more than one. The sentence says, most ocean animals depend on plankton for food. What do you say? Copy the sentence. So far, so good?
Yeah.
So, what is the noun? What is the noun this sentence talks about? Talks about
the plant, the animals and the plankton.
But
Yes, may I go to the bathroom?
quickly, please. Hi, Sebastian, you are laughing. You are playing with someone there. Remember that the sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. What is the subject of this sentence? Most animals, ocean animals depend on plankton for food. What is the subject?
That's the animals.
The subject is most ocean animals. That's the subject.
And the simple subject is plankton, and the predicate depend on food for food.
No, this is the predicate. The predicate begins with the verb. Este es el verbo. So predicate begins since the verb and ahead. We are not looking for nouns that are in the predicate. We are looking for nouns that are in the subject only. So this subject or this sentence talks about what? Talks about what?
Using, for example, how and what animals depend for plankton.
Yeah, but it's just one word. The simple subject.
No, I'm asking
only one
the
word.
question. I'm asking the question. What animals depend on plankton?
Whales. Whales eat plankton, not fish. Whales eat plankton, krill, what others? Because whales has no teeth. So they cannot chew, no pueden masticar because they have no teeth. Okay, whale has no teeth. Has this. This one is like como un pelo. ¿Y de qué les sirve? Como un colador. I think we already see this one.
Let me see. That sharp things.
Es como cerdas, como pelo. So it helps them to filter the water. Okay, here, help them to filter the water.
That thing that is big in color like yellow and red are.
This one, see? Whale has no teeth. They are toothless. They are toothless.
The one that they have in the back, what is that?
What in the back? And I'm gonna show you krill. Oh, plankton. But plankton is pretty, it's pretty small. It's tiny. Don't you remember? Okay, then.
Me?
Don't you remember Bob SpongeBob? Calamardo. Don Cangrejo is no. Which Plankton? Actually, the name of the character is Plankton. But Plankton is pretty small. This one. Remember this one? From SpongeBob?
Oh,
Yes.
Oh, that one is pretty small. That's a plankton, and it's a cartoon.
I think it's an endemic of
Okay, so the simple subject in this case is animals. Animals is the simple subject. Next sentence, oysters and, there is a mistake here. Oysters and other creatures crept along the ocean floor. Oh my God, that's an extra O here too. Okay. Oysters and other creatures creep along the ocean floor. Do you know what an oyster is? Did you like oysters?
No, you know.
You don't?
Oh, I have
Like
not
it.
tried that.
I don't know, but you have to be sure what an oyster is.
An ostra.
Oyster. Mm-hmm.
The subject are oysters and other creatures.
With garlic, they are delicious. This one.
Oh, I have never tried.
I have tried them with garlic, with wine. They are delicious. You haven't eaten? In El Morito, for example, I have eaten them with garlic. Oof, they are amazing. When I used to go to the North Coast, also to Ceiba, Trujillo, I used to eat also oysters.
I've never tried that thing.
Well, try it. They are delicious. Oysters and other creatures creep along the ocean floor. So, this one, what is the subject of this sentence? Subject. What is it? Quickly, we almost finished this class. What is the subject?
Oysters and creatures.
But the subject, remember, again, sentence has two parts. Subject and predicate. So what is the subject of this sentence? Oh my God, Sebastian, you are always distracted. Yes, I know that you are copying. But I know that what happened if you understand the topic. Open your microphone and help me out to answer the last three sentences, please. What is the subject of this sentence, Sebastian? Oysters and other creatures creep along the ocean floor. I have been repeating that a sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. So what is the subject and what is the predicate in sentence number 13? What is it? Do you know, Sebastian? I didn't listen. Only oysters? So, Sebastian, you says oyster is a subject and other creatures creeps along the ocean floor is the predicate because I am asking for the two parts of this sentence. What is the subject and what is the predicate? That's what I want to know. Okay. Sebastian? What is the subject? Well, if you say oyster is the subject and the rest is the predicate, it's incorrect. It's incorrect. Say it again, please. Creatures. What is creature?
Yes.
Yeah, but what is it? What is creature? Again, Sebastian, my question is, what is the subject and what is the predicate in sentence 13? What is the subject? The two parts of the sentence. That's what I want to know. Subject. Ajá.
And
But you are giving me isolated words. Usted me está mencionando palabras aisladas, solitas. This one is a sentence, right? And the two parts of a sentence is subject and predicate. What is the subject of this sentence? Oysters and other creatures. This is the subject. Creep along the ocean floor is el predicate. Esto le estaba preguntando yo. Predicate and subject. Now, inside this subject, sometimes the subject is simple. Sometimes the subject is compound because it has many. So, Sebastian, open your microphone. What is the simple or compound? What is the subject or subjects in this part of the sentence? Simple subject or compound subject. What is it? What are the nouns, Sebastian, in the subject of this sentence? This one. That one you said. Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. And is not a noun. We are looking for nouns. And is not a noun. And is a conjunction. What are the nouns, class?
The subject are oysters and other creatures, and the predicate are
Oysters. It's creatures. Other no. Other no. It's not a noun. Remember that a noun is only one word. Just one word. Oysters, creatures. So this one has more than one subject. Has subjects. It's compound. The number 14. And I hope you pay attention, please, Sebastian. So the next one. Their food is carried to them by ocean creature. What is the subject? If we identify the subject, to do this exercise is gonna be easy. What is the subject?
Food and carrier.
No, remember, subject. The sentence has two parts, subject and predicate.
There and then.
Only there?
No.
Their food. No. We are not, you are not understanding. You are not understanding. La oración tiene dos partes, sujeto y predicado. Subject y predicate. ¿Con qué comienza el predicate? Así digamos que lo vamos a simplificar. El subject, el predicate comienza con el verbo. ¿Cuál es el verbo en esta oración? Their food is carried to them by ocean courier. Carried es un verbo, sí, pero is también. Este es un verbo, is. Entonces, de aquí para adelante, wait, please. De aquí para adelante, esto es el predicado, es el predicate. Del verbo para atrás es el subject. Entonces, el subject de esta oración es their food. Pero dentro de ese subject buscamos la palabra más importante. Esa palabra es un noun. De esas dos palabras, their food, solo hay una que es un noun. ¿Cuál de las dos es?
Their.
No, their. No, their es un pronombre. Es un pronombre, pero es un pronombre que por sí solo, digamos que no funciona. Necesita un noun. Es un pronombre que muestra posesión. Entonces, el noun en este caso es food. Food. Ese es el simple subject. Food. Porque aquí dice su comida. ¿De quién? De ellos. Sí, pero their significa su. Eso no es un noun. Esto es un possessive pronoun. Necesitamos un noun para que pueda tener sentido. Ese noun en este caso es food. Este es el simple subject. Claro, si usted está peleando con alguien, viendo quién va y quién viene, quién le pasa por el frente, no va a entender el tema. 15. The number 15, again. Let's find the verb. ¿Cuál es el verbo? What is the verb?
Feed.
Feed. Now, feed. And the number 15 is feed. So, ¿cuál es su subject? Del verbo para atrás. Esto. Del verbo para atrás, usted me va a encontrar los nouns. What are the nouns? Geese and snails. These one are animals. Snails, caracoles, geese, gansos. Feed on some ocean plants. These two eat plankton and also eat, geese for example, eat krill. I think they eat krill or maybe algae. Algae. Okay, kelp. So, did you copy the exercises?
Yes.
Did you copy the exercises? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Yes, yes. No one is copying?
Yes, Miss. No.
Alan is doing this. No, Alan?
No, Miss, I finished.
Okay. And what about you? Did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. So, María Fernanda. Is María Fernanda here? Yes. Did you finish, María?
Yes.
Okay. I have an absentee. Two absentees actually. Now, porque alguien se me retiró. Gabriel is not in class. Did you see Gabriel before? Ryan probably, but Ryan has problem with internet. Yes. Okay. So in this class, no homework. No homework, okay? Thank you guys for your attention.